James and Christian here, and welcome to Infinite Money Loop. This is the anti-info product. This is something that is clearly something that you've never seen before, and you really need to stand up, sit up, and pay attention. I've known Christian for some time, and Christian is someone that bought products from me a long time ago. Christian's a marketer, but not the typical marketer in the product space. As far as I know, Christian, you haven't released a product before, at least not for a long time in terms of Warrior Plus. And Christian was inspired by some of the things I was doing years ago with crypto. A lot's changed with crypto over the years. And the price sometimes goes in a bull run, sometimes it doesn't. But what Christian does is Christian doesn't worry about traffic. Christian doesn't worry about SEO. Christian doesn't worry about all these different things that we get bombarded with every single day when it comes to marketing. Christian, and that's what this is all about. It's his case study. It's his story of what he's done, what he's doing, what he's now shown me, and what he's now going to show you in terms of you can make crypto, you can see results every single day, literally within 24 hours. What we're showing you here is results. With 5 clicks or less, you can come in here, start off with very little money, and start compounding crypto, where you don't need a following, you don't need expertise, you don't need to be this kind of like really into crypto and all this stuff. You can be a regular person and seeing your account go up and up and up and up. This is a crazy new world that Christians is a part of where we don't care about the price of crypto in a sense because we're just banking crypto. Christian has shown me the way, and now we're together putting a product together, showing you the way. Christian, I know this is next level stuff. I'm so proud of this, so proud to bring this to people so they finally have something that works where they don't have to worry about all the stuff they normally have to think about because they can just go follow these simple steps and see a result, not just today, but every single day. That's what this infinite money loop brings to people.
Yeah, that's right, James. Look, I brought this idea that was basically underground. I figured it out. I found it. And I was like, I got to bring this to James because number one, I love the products that James put out. They're always just like so underground. They're out of the box thinking. And I go, I got to get this to James because I believe he's just going to really dig on it. And James and I have been talking for a while about the product, and he wanted just to see proof. He wanted to make sure it was real because he has a an affinity. He has a love for his clients and customers that has previously bought products from him. And so I'm like, look, here's the deal. I'm gonna I'm gonna give you a case study, my own results, so you can see that it's real. Because the promise I gave him was I want what I'm bringing to you, James. This is not SEO. This is not affiliate marketing. This is not building an email list. This is not social media posting. This is none of that stuff because, in all reality, a lot of that stuff takes a lot of time to do, or you got to wait months to see results. And I was like, I want to do really one thing, James. I want to show you that I can get results in less than 24 hours. That was like the big promise. And he's like, okay, give me the case study, bro. So I gave him the case study. He checked it out and he was like, I can't even believe this is real. And I'm like, that's what I've been telling you, man. This is real. So I'm super pumped for this because I believe that once people get inside James, that they're gonna put the course into action and then they are gonna see results themselves.
Yeah, and that's what this is all about. It's just about results. And I think every product should be just about results, but that doesn't seem to always be the case. Some people try and mask what they're talking about in a product, or they're trying to like trick people, or it's like a magic trick. No, this is real. This is a product people have been dying for, where they can literally follow a strategy and get a result within 24 hours. So this is a big deal. We want your testimonials because we want people to validate this and say, wow, this just wasn't like a another product that, it's garbage. No, this is real and you can turn this into a big deal. So we're gonna have some sales copy below, but we don't have to talk to you in some kind of marketing spiel here. This just simply works. So if you want to accumulate crypto every single day and literally set it up one time and then it just works, then you want to pick this up below. So get excited, pick it up, and you're gonna see that this is the absolute real deal.
Let's go.